Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm gonna make this pretty quick because I gotta head out to work right now, but this is another unboxing video of the AIM Solo DL2. Alright, I ordered this directly from Amazon. Bam. There you go. Packaging was whatever, it's just a box with two air pillows in there. Comes with some stickers here, a little guide. Ooh, there you go. There she is. Then you got your wiring kit. You got a mount, and then looks like a charging cable. I think that the wiring kit will allow you to run power directly off the car. So I think that's what I'm gonna have my buddy Alan do this. He's gonna install it for me. He's helping me out. I think that's what he said. You basically tap into the ignition wire into the car, and anytime you start up the car, the AIM will start up as well. So looks like a very nice unit, very solid. Very excited to use this. I've heard amazing things about these, and finally we'll get some accurate data logs, and we can go ahead and present some different overlays that'll look a lot better when I'm on track. So we can actually analyze data eventually down the road when I get that good enough, and yeah, it should be really good for the channel. So stick around. Shortly we'll install this. Alright guys, so I didn't end up getting a video of it being installed, but that's all good. I went ahead and had European Auto Source go ahead and install this for me. Here it is. It's been a few weeks, if not I think maybe like a month or so. A few events under my belt with this device, and so far I can say that I'm really enjoying using it. It's allowed me to go back and look at my data between different laps, whether it's the same day, the same track session, or same track day, or different track days on the same track. So it's allowing me to compare and allowing me to understand basically where I'm losing time and where I'm gaining time, giving me the ability to look at my lines as far as where exactly I'm on track. There's a software program that you download called Race Studio 3, and you can just convert all your files into actual Google Earth like documents, I guess, and it's like an outline on the track of where you're at. So very precise, very accurate. This thing uses GPS speed. It uses GPS satellites to go ahead and determine where you're at on track. So very helpful in determining which lines are faster. I went ahead and did a double header at Auto Club Speedway, which is a fairly easy track. There's not really too many different lines you can do on that track. But I went ahead and did that, and on the Saturday night, I went ahead and looked over the data and saw where I could make up time and where I was slower, and a couple different things that I tried that day. I was able to figure out which one was the fastest line through a certain section or a certain turn. So it definitely helps out a lot. You can also compare your data with somebody else's data who has a similar car to you. They don't even necessarily have to have a similar car to you. That's just kind of what you would like to do. You'd kind of want to compare a car with similar mods as yours, and tires, and aero or no aero. That's kind of the idea behind looking at somebody else's data to compare against yours. So that way you can see, oh shit, maybe I am going a little too slow through this turn. Maybe I am babying the car through here. And obviously spot where there's more to give. This device is also very, very configurable. There's many different settings you can do for it. It seems overwhelming at first, I'm not gonna lie. The computer program seems overwhelming, but once you start to understand everything, it's very simple. Everything in the program is pretty straightforward. Being able to overlay my data onto my videos like I've been doing for the past, I think, month now has been very smooth, and I've been able to get consistent uploads using that, and I can tell you guys are enjoying that and eating that up. I see a lot more of you guys interacting with me on those videos of my hot laps, so I know that you're interested in seeing that data overlay. And overall, this is just a great product. If I'm a guy who has just barely started tracking and still trying to find my way on track and, you know, just get the hang of things, I don't think I'm necessarily going to pick one of these up, to be honest with you. This is going to be something for the guy who's a little more serious, who wants to take it up another notch to see where he can find the time that he's been struggling to find, or you know, not necessarily struggling, but wants to get a little more serious in time attack, or just becoming a better driver overall. It's just that next level, I would say, to the guy who's just barely starting off. But with the CAN bus capabilities, you can go all out with this thing and pull all kinds of crazy data that may be beneficial to you. But as far as for me, I'm pretty vanilla with this for right now, and using the basic parameter settings and just the basic data information that you guys see on my overlays. I bought this product on Amazon. It came with a RAM mount as well, and I think I paid like $700 for it. There's cheaper versions of it, but I went ahead and got the data logger, the Solo 2 DL. DL stands for data logger, and I'm not really too sure what the differences are, other than I think it's got to do with the software program that it comes with and the capabilities it's able to do within that program. But that's going to do it for this video. If you guys have any questions on the product itself, please drop me in the comment section below, and I'll get back to it as soon as possible. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you guys are enjoying seeing the data with this product in my videos. Later.